Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Overlord Bee in Garden game of Roblox BZB event update part 3. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is the Overlord Bee and this is the ability. Every 100 seconds, all mythical rarity and below bees gain +2 to all stats for 25 seconds. And for the speed, it's 12.5, and for the quality 6, and rate 2.5. And this is one of the powerful bee from this update guys, and it comes from the Transcendent Egg. So if you want to get the Overlord Bee, you need to buy the Transcendent Egg, and you will have this chance, 3.8% chance to hatch this Overlord Bee from this Transcendent Egg. As soon as you see the Transcendent Egg here from the Bee Event Egg shop, you need to immediately buy it, and you need 5k honey coins to buy the Transcendent Egg. And yeah, it's really useful for defeating the Wasp King in this event. Okay guys, and that's all about the Overlord Bee and Grey Garden game of Roblox BZB event update part 3. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!